get our first break today. Where did it break from? Hopefully they have the parts I need. Going back guys to 509. So today we're gonna Traxxas XRT. So let's take it out of the box and take a look at it. Here we go. So this is probably one of the most exciting cars of 2022. Traxxas released the Slash this year, and now we got the XRT. So basically this is the shorter, wider brother of the X-Maxx. This thing looks sick. So Traxxas has some new tire design on it, new tread pattern. It is 8S and it's rated for 60 plus with the optional gearing. It looks pretty sick. I like the body design of it. You can see there's some hood scoop, get some airflow, also with the roof scoop. So it does come with the Traxxas clipless body, so it's a little different design than the X-Maxx. X-Maxx has that little lever in the back. This one just clips in, which is kind of cool. So let's look at the inside. So you're running the VXL 8S. The motor, there's 2 cooling fans, and the heatsink goes almost all around the motor. So kind of looks like a V8 motor. I think half of the parts on it are from the X-Maxx. Brand new cars come out and you break parts, usually you have to wait for them because they're always on back order. But since it shares half of the parts with the X-Maxx, it's nice to have some parts available. Yeah, I really like the whole body thing where you just clip it in and that's it. Here's a quick look with the X-Maxx. So you can see how much lower the XRT is. These are not the stock tires, but it looks like the tires are a little bit smaller. This is the white kit, so stock, it's a little bit narrow, and you can see it's tall. Yeah, look at that thing. That thing just sits up so high. I don't have a GPS on me, but we'll just see how fast this thing is. Pretty quick for a big truck. Pretty stable. Backward wheelies. The back is not as aggressive as the X-Maxx. That's interesting. Yeah, it handles really good. Gonna need to grab some paddle tires for this thing pretty soon. Ooh. Dude, good looking truck. I like it. Dude, this thing flies through the air. Pretty far. Stair test, see how well it drives down. You think we'll make it back up? Yeah. Oh, dude. Yo, I was not expecting that. Come on, bro. You got this. You got this. Oh. There you go. There you go. There you go. Look at that. I know, work out. You gotta get an X-Maxx in the other hand.
Yeah, right.
I think this year, the XRT and the Fire Team are probably one of my favorites.
Yeah.
They handle pretty good.
Fire Team's cool with the e-brake, I like it.
Yeah, we're gonna try it in the snow. We're gonna have to probably take it out one of these days. It's still pretty interesting how like the whole reverse is smooth. So with the reverse, with the X-Maxx, it just kicks in right away. With this, it kind of like slow, and then it goes faster and faster.
Floor it from the beginning right away, backwards, and I'll just.
Yeah, it doesn't have a kick right away. Ah! Yeah. We got our first brake, but we just broke this little guy. Hey, let's just run to the hobby shop right here. Okay, so we took the front part off. It's kind of like the X-Maxx. You got just a couple bolts here and the thing just slides off. So first brake we got, it's right here. So this piece, took the piece off. You can see there's more breakage right here, a couple plastics. I'm just hoping that the hobby store has parts for it. So it looks like we broke the top bulkhead and the bottom, and that little piece right there, the steering, this whole piece right here. So that piece and that piece. It doesn't make any sense because we just watched the footage. So he hit it with this tire, but then this side is the one that broke.
Unless we broke it
before hitting
the stairs or something.
Maybe. Yeah, that's kind of interesting that this whole piece kind of broke. Hobby Town, USA. Oh, dude. Dude, that Supra looks sick.
That is Supra.
That is Supra? Red cat. Oh, dude. That's what I need for this one right here. The snow cat right here.
Hell yeah.
I don't know. Blizzard 2.0.
It's not cheap.
Dude. That thing is actually pretty sick. I don't know why I would haul with it.
Pretty long.
Yeah. They don't have the new one where it's like lifted.
Do they go pretty fast?
No, they're just like crawlers. I mean, you could change the motors and make them a little bit quicker. But no, they have a new version where it's like lifted and stuff. Oh, right here. I was actually looking at it. That's pretty sick. And then, of course, you got the wide max and the sledge. That's all the parts they have for the XRT. We got some of the parts, not all of them. I think we're missing like 2 parts, but it's not bad. Oh, dude. I mean, that'll be good for snow too, and for water. Yeah, that truck is sick right there. The high trail. So we got some parts from the hobby store. They didn't have all of it. We were just missing, I think, 2 pieces. We're missing that piece and then the steering bell crank. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the parts. So I'm gonna end the video here. Subscribe down below, guys, and hopefully see this running again pretty soon.